Hey, this episode I will talk about a natural remedy, an ancient healer which we've forgotten about, and it's really available for everyone, and it's here to help us with leaky gut and with the parasites. So first of all, let's go through the symptoms. Do you have any of these? Lost appetite for breakfast, waking up at 3 a.m. for pee? Do you have any strange shoulder pain? Do you have any hair thinning and hair loss? Do you have ringing in your ears? Do you have a stubborn pouch around your stomach area? Do you have aching knees when you stand up in the mornings, the morning crackness? Because these are all caused by parasites. So there is a quick fix to that, which we should use it because it's available for everyone and nobody really thought this could be the solution. So the issue is by the age of 30-40, we have leaky gut because our intestinal barriers are weakening because of nutrient deficiencies. So if we would be nutritionally fine, then our gut would be probably serving us as a barrier for parasites. But because it's not the case, we all have these deficiencies. So we have to take this herb, which will help us to strengthen this area. So what is this herb? Let's go. So the herb is called moringa. And why moringa? Because moringa is literally packed with nutrients. So it has 92 out of the 102 essentials, including zinc, magnesium, quercetin, and other powerful antiparasitic compounds. So it provides your gut with essential nutrients and strengthen your intestinal barriers. And once this strengthened, the parasites won't be able to go through and spread through to other organs. So it's really important to fix the leaky gut in order to eliminate the parasites further. So it will be a double effect. It's not just not letting them through your gut barrier, but it also eliminates the further invaders, the future invaders as well. So you really need to have that barrier in order to be safer against these parasites. So if you just drink for 3 weeks, you will see the difference, and it will help you with lots of things, including eliminate parasites and strengthen your gut barrier. You're gonna sleep through the night without waking up, and you're gonna have eliminated joint stiffness, pain, and morning crackness gone. So it will help improving nutrient absorption and digestive health. It will reduce the bloating and the stubborn belly fat. It will support your hair growth and skin health, and it will reduce sugar cravings. And overall, it will boost your energy, your mental clarity, and also the immune functions. So this is all moringa, and I just started to drink again because I used to drink it a long time ago, and now I'm drinking it again. And in my next episode, I will talk about the lymphatic drainage for beginners because it's a really important topic and we have to start to open our lymphatic pathways. So see you in the next video. Bye.